Introducing the Diamond Devil Polishing Prep Tool. The next generation solution completes the Diamond Devil concrete restoration and polishing system. Chemical free, using only water. Concrete, the prep tool takes floors from Mastic Demon coating removal to polishing. For cementitious Terrazzo, the prep tool is the first step to remove sealer and proceed to polishing. The prep tool's patent-pending design features independent floating heads that glide over uneven surfaces, paired with specially formulated diamond-cupped wheels to create a uniform profile, perfect for preparing concrete and terrazzo floors for polishing. Go from coating removal to polished concrete in no time. The prep tool reduces the deep scratch pattern created by Mastic Demon, prepping the concrete for polish. Go from dull waxed floors to shiny polished cementitious terrazzo using only water. Chemical-free stripping, the prep tool uses water only to remove light sealers from concrete and floor finish, sealer, urethane, and wax from cementitious terrazzo. Save your floors from the fiery pits with the Diamond Devil Polish Prep Tool by Malish.